So we just learnt that the force is equal to the rate of change of momentum. Let's take a look at an example where we're going to use this relationship. Let's imagine that we hit a tennis ball with a racket. In this case, we must exert a force on the ball in order to change its direction. And that's because since momentum is a vector, changing its direction means changing its momentum. So what we're saying is a force is required to stop the tennis ball going this way and to make it move in the other direction. Now let's do a calculation. The question is, what force must we exert if a ball approaches a racket with 20 meters per second and we intend for it to leave along the same path at 34 meters per second in the opposite direction? And there's some more information we're going to need to answer this question. A, we need to know the mass of the ball, and we say it is 200 grams, and we claim that it is in contact with the racket for 0.07 seconds. So we have been told the mass of the ball, the velocity change we're required to give it, and the time taken. And we're being asked to calculate the force. First of all, let's label all the information that we've been given on a diagram. We know that the ball approaches at 20 meters per second and then leaves at 34 meters per second. The direction of the arrows here will hopefully help us remember that the change in velocity is actually 20 meters per second added to another 34 meters per second. Now we know the mass of the ball is 200 grams. And finally, the time taken for this process to occur is equal to 0.07 seconds.
Hey guys, to continue watching this video and unlock hundreds of other super concise and exam board specific GCSE physics and combined science videos, just click on the Snap Revise smiley face. Join me today and let's make physics at GCSE a walk in the park.